Even in an industry fueled by ideas, every now and then, innovation takes an unexpected turn. Most of the time, our evolution of technology will feel familiar, born from our natural drive to enhance vehicle safety and engine performance, shrink environmental footprint, and increase profitability for our customers. But on rare occasions, you'll encounter something almost unreal. Like a smartwatch from a truck manufacturer. Unlikely as it may seem, to us it makes perfect sense. Bold and vigilant, yet gracious and sleek. This is much more than a watch. It's the first part of your truck that you can wear. A stylish tool that helps you keep track of fuel consumption trends, how to optimize your driving efficiency, and naturally, when it's time to work and when it's not. Among many other features, it also comes with a promise from us that this is just the beginning. The Black Griffin Scania watch. The essence of your truck on your wrist.